Hi, this is Ben from Implements Direct. Today I'm showing you guys the Hanmey WCX5 wood chipper. It's ideal for tractors sort of 16 through to about 50 horsepower. It's a category 1 3-point linkage, which is suitable for most tractors sort of 18 to 50 horsepower also. It's got 4 tool steel blades on a rotor. It's direct drive, so there's no belts or anything like that to go wrong. It's got a shear bolt on the PTO. That's this coupling right here. That is a 8mm by 50mm, just a standard engineer's bolt. That will break if you jam anything in the chipper and prevent your tractor transmission from being damaged. It just allows the PTO shaft to rotate independently of the wood chipper rotor. So this is the rear view of the wood chipper. As you can see, there's another bearing. You can see it's greasable, again just the same standard pillar block bearing. Below that is the anvil blade. This is the static blade that the blades on the rotor cut against. That's adjustable. It's held there with 3 8mm bolts. Zooming out from there, you can see there's a hinge point for the hopper, the in-feed hopper, so that will lift up and store out of the way for transport or storage. That makes the chipper a lot more compact, and generally if you were going to need to store it or transport through some narrow pathways with your tractor, that would be the way to do it. So as you can see inside the input chute here, this is a 4-inch capacity, but obviously the throat for the chipper is a lot bigger than 4-inch. That's to allow so you can use branches that have got forks in them or other limbs coming off them. It allows them to feed in there. You'll also notice that this is mounted at an angle to the rotor, so when the blade is cutting, it's cutting the branch at an angle rather than at 90 degrees, so it actually drags the branch in as it cuts. This is effectively a self-feeding motion. You just drop the branch in the hopper, as you'll see soon, and it'll pull itself in. This is the output chute for the wood chipper. It'll rotate 360 degrees, and also the deflection tip at the top can be easily adjusted so the wood chips are fired into an accurate area. You could fill a wheelbarrow or the back of a truck or something like that very easily. To adjust the chipper direction, it's very easy. You just pull this lever and rotate it. So maintenance of these is very easy. It's easy to access the blades. Just removing this one bolt here allows the whole cover to hinge open, giving you access to the whole rotor. So this is showing the back of the rotor. It's got 4 fan blades on the back basically, with an integrated twig breaker, which is this thing in there. The Hanmey wood chippers actually have this extra plate on the back here to brace all that together. You'll find a lot of other similar designs don't have this extra plate through there. This just helps stiffen the whole flywheel and rotor effectively, and yeah, just makes it for a better overall product. This is showing you the rotor with the hardened tool steel blades. These blades are reversible. At the moment this is the cutting edge here, but if you unbolt them and flip them, there's another fresh sharpened cutting edge there. So you get twice as many goes out of the blades. The anvil blade that we showed you before can actually be flipped 4 times because it's just got a square sharp edge. So this is the view of the business end of the chipper. Basically your branches are going down here. You can see one of the blades in in the bottom there, and rubber flaps just to prevent any items blowing back, wood chips, etc. So we're just going to fire this up and show you it running. It's currently on a 30 horsepower John Deere that we're going to try and get some 4-inch timber, which is its maximum capacity. We'll run it through some of that. Right, so that's the demo for the Hanmey WCX5 wood chipper. Again, it's 4-inch capacity and it was running on a 30 horsepower John Deere tractor. The timber used that we've chipped up has been a bit of pine, tea tree or manuka, and wattle and Tasmanian blackwood. So they're all fairly hard timbers. Most of it has been dead or been cut for maybe a few weeks or even a few months, and you can see it's handled it no problem at all. It's all folded up nice and neat, make it much more compact to fit in your shed or